Except for you're going to run into the lift over here.
Ah! Blooper reel.
And bloopers, yeah, we might have to make that slow-mo. Except for you're going to run into the lift over here.
Ah!
Hey YouTubers, me again, only I'm not going to be in this video. I'm going to be the camera guy. This here is my son-in-law. His name's Will. Say hey. Right? You can see his wedding if you haven't already. He is going to work on this here modern junk, and he's going to walk you through it, and he's taking up the torch, you know, because he's going to do the newer stuff, because I don't like working on newer stuff. So I'm going to let him take it over from here, and I hope you all enjoy it.
Alright, so what we have here today is a 2022 Honda Civic Sport, and all I'm going to do is change the oil in it. Real simple, it's a real quick process, shouldn't take you very long. Alright, so you just need a Phillips head for this. I'm going to take all these bolts out of this splash pan. Once you get that splash pan off, you're going to need to get one that's, get you a 17 millimeters or however you say it.
Vanilla wafers?
Yeah. Anyways, and
Milliliters, or you can say it however you want.
yeah.
You might as well go get a snack, because it's going to take a while for this to go up. Intermission time. Okay, you're hot. Wrong way.
I forget that every time.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Yep. Wait a minute. Weren't you just pulling on it a second ago? No, that's the wrong way.
Oh.
Did I tell you wrong?
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
Maybe.
It looked like you were pulling on it last time. You're going to be pushing on that thing. There you go. And it's always, just for a little advice, always a bad idea to push, because that's how you bust your knuckles. Always better to pull. You all right?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay.
Am I live right now?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so make sure you break it loose before you get this all the way up there, so you can actually fit your limbs in it.
Chances are most of you are doing this on your back. It's really hard to get good video when you're doing it on your back. But it's the same process, except for you're going to run into the lift over here.
Ah! Blooper reel.
And bloopers, yeah, we might have to make that slow-mo. I think that's close enough, buddy. He's so stinking tall, he's got this lift up in like the moon somewhere. I can't even reach it.
I'm on my itty bitty tippy toes and shoes that give me a few extra inches, if that tells you anything.
Why don't you bring the lift down a little?
I don't know, I'm just...
Uh-oh, he got dirty for the first time! He's not a virgin anymore. Oh, he got it on his face. He got it on his face. Oh yeah, he's good, that's good. He's part of the family now.
Oh, man. Oh, yeah, that was in need of it, too. Don't neglect your car like I did.
I do the same thing. It's bad. I'm always apologizing to the public for don't do what I do because I neglect my cars.
Said this thing was supposed to have maintenance like 9,300 miles ago.
Are you serious?
Something like that.
Daggum. That's worse than me. Okay, you're naughty.
Yeah, I'm bad.
You're a bad boy. That drains quick.
Yeah.
Well, while we're waiting for that to drip, we can read this. Used oil is classified as a hazardous waste under California law. Used oil must be put along your fence line and set on fire so you can. Should be recycled, placed in an oil household garbage can. Oh no, says wait. Must be recycled. Placing used oil in a household garbage can or dumpsters is bad. Well, it works really good on your fence line too.
So we got this special lid, or I don't know.
Oil filter wrench.
I don't know the names of stuff. So yeah, easy as pie.
What kind of pie?
Cream pie.
Cream pie. Chocolate cream?
Chocolate cream. Lemon.
Chocolate cream?
Chocolate cream, lemon cream.
Lemon meringue.
Get off her.
Well, I never said it had to come off. Try wiggling it back and forth. No, it's going to get ugly now. Well, you might want to leave it on there until you get it off the wrench because it's going to try snugging it back up. Just barely snug it. Go ahead and turn your ratchet. Change your ratchet. Flick that little lever. There you go. Just tighten until you feel it snug.
Okay.
Okay. Now just wiggle the ratchet. Yeah, there you go. Up and down like that. There you go. Ta-da!
Yep. Got it off now.
It's getting my tools all dirty. I'm so proud.
Dude, that was such a bad joke, though.
This is fun. Putting the filter back in. Just tighten it as tight as you can get it with your hand. You don't want to use a wrench on it when you're tightening it. Might want to wipe the oil off though.
Yep. You were right.
If you can get both hands on it, you can try that. That's as tight as you want it to go. It's hand tight.
Yeah, I had to really.
That's good. That'd be fine.
Really worked for that one.
Okay, so now it's just a matter of putting Earl in it. Okay, you're good.
First, before we do that, we're going to put the splash pan back on it.
Okay, you might want to bring the jack down. See that little dial on the side there? Nope, down there. Yep, and turn that dial. Yep, there you go. There you go.
Ooh, that's nice.
I'm going to guess that goes behind the other piece. You know what I'm saying? So I have to take that back out. Take that screw back out. Actually, both of them, for that matter. It tucks into that front chin.
I see that now.
Well, at least you didn't put all of them in and find out you have those for the last two.
Yeah.
Something wrong.
Yeah.
There you go. Now you're cooking with real butter. I'm so proud.
There we go.
That'll hold that in for you. The other end's just hanging in gravity. It's going to land on your head in a minute. I don't know how it's staying up there, but it is.
It's got little hooks in there.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. I was like, I'm looking at that going, that is going to fall on your head. Oh yeah, I see the hooks now. For a little advice, leave them loose. Leave all of them just a little bit loose until you get them all in, and that way if you have to adjust, you can. Yeah, I kind of like this cameraman stuff. I don't get dirty. And I get to laugh at the other guy when he messes up. Yeah. Instead of myself. Those fasteners are just push and quarter turn, right? Or push half turn.
Yeah.
They lock in one turn.
Mm-hmm.
There's always one.
Always one.
There's always one.
We'll come back. That's going to irritate me. Playing limbo.
There's one over there. That's the only one. Just those two front ones left. Oh, it's got alignment pins. How cool is that? See the alignment pin there?
Yeah.
And those little hooks he was talking about? Pretty cool. We'll get the rest of it with this last one.
There we go.
There we went.
There we went.
We had it and then we lost it. Wouldn't it be nice if we had 3 hands? Okay,
Yeah.
now go ahead and snug up all the other ones. You don't want to forget to snug them or they'll end up on the street somewhere. You know, now that I think about it, you probably should have waited to put the pan on so we can check for leaks.
Yep.
Oh well.
Well, all reassembled. All we got to do is put oil in it now.
Let's see if I can figure it out. I still have the mind of a child. I guess this is on the bottom. Can't feel it yet. It's on the bottom. It's right here. It's under here. It's not on the hood. It's under here. So for you folks, down there. Where's the oil fill? Oh, there it is.
It's right here. Just use.
And what does it take for oil?
Takes 0 weight 20.
0.20. Other way. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. It's just really tight. There you go. Bang. Like a new car. You gonna try to pour it without spilling, or do you want a funnel?
I can pour without spilling.
Famous last words.
Yeah. And yeah, a semi-pro tip: don't do it like that. Do it like this. And it takes 4.4 quarts because this is the 2-liter. Don't ask me what the 1 point whatever takes because I don't know. Yeah, you see when you pour it like this, it keeps it from going boom, 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 and spilling everywhere.
Could you do that again?
Yeah, boom, 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 boom. I'm an animated individual. I should have been on a cartoon.
Can you see why he married my daughter? Because like me, he ain't right in the head.
She's great. Pretty great.
Well, that's all of it. It's going to be the whole bunch, bud. You don't. It's going to be too much, isn't it? I thought you said it was 4.4.
Yeah, but we put a little bit in that what's its face? Oil filter.
Oh yeah, but that's part of the 4.4.
And
That's probably the 4.4. How many is that? 5 quarts or 4 quarts?
this is 5.
Oh, it's 5. So you're a little over full.
It'll live. Maybe. Hopefully. I did spill some of it on the ground, so quite a bit on the ground.
Not really that much, but okay. Just check it. If it's too overfull, you don't want to leave it overfull because it can foam and cause damage to your engine. So we'll just check because it's 0.6, which is like a half a quart. What's that? Oh, well, how cool is that? Here's your dipping stick. Well, you got to start it because you still got to fill up your oil filter.
Duh.
That's really cool, that dipstick, though. I'd have never thought. That's really cool. Let me get a good shot of that. That's the dippy stick, that orange thing right there. I think it's kind of cool.
Alright.
Okay, we're going to start her up.
Yep.
See if it starts smoking, rattling, and break. Oh, look at that. It sounds like a clock. Tick, 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 tick. Well, that sounds nice. Sounds like all 4 squirrels are running perfectly. So we'll let it run for a second, fill up the oil filter. Did you pick up the tools from the lift?
Yeah, right here.
Okay, good. That should be fine. After all, it is 0W. It's thin stuff. Oh, you're going to need your rag to wipe that clean. The rag's right behind you. Just wipe it clean and then stick it back in. It's really hard to see super clean oil. So hope your eyesight's good. Mine sucks. I'll pull it back out and put your peepers on it. What does it say?
It's supposed to be in between these 2 marks. It looks like it is.
Looks like it's over the marks to me, but
Well, it's almost. You can take some out of it.
that's up to you. On an older car, I would say no worries because they probably burn a little bit, but on something this new, it probably doesn't burn any. So that's up to you if you want to take a little bit out. I would have probably stuck with the 4.4. Let me look at that.
Error code that I had, the B13 maintenance code. What you're going to want to do, press the home button right here, go down to settings.
Nice and slow for them.
Okay. And press this button. Hit vehicle settings. Oh, shoot. Hit that. There we go. Just roll it down real slow. Nice and easy until you get to maintenance reset. Then click it down and cancel and then back. Nah, I screwed it up. Well.
Done?
Yeah. I screwed it up. I missed it.
Can I start over?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Alright, so you might notice that little orange eye there. If you want to get rid of that, just start the car, hit the home button, and you're going to come to this screen. You're going to want to scroll up or down wherever until you get to settings and hit this button down. Then scroll down again. And go all the way down until you get the maintenance reset, then select that. It's going to say B13, which is the code I got now. And you can go to item B only. This is the only one I got. Well, actually all items, because it was just an oil deal. Hit that. Reset completed. Press the home button. And hold on. And there it is, it's gone.
Woohoo! Now that stuff I don't do.
Yeah, and the eye, that should disappear. I don't know. Just keep in mind I am an amateur.
He won't be for long.
But
Keep working him.
But I'm not clueless. All the time. Or most of the time. Alright, there you go. There you go. When you're done, just shut your hood. Turns out that little eye that was still on there, it was just on there because the hood was open. But anyways, it's fun being with you all today. Like and subscribe.